Approximately about 76 k's, I reckon.
Myself What's going on, Jodie?
Oh, well, we're just warming up the garlic and the butter, and then we're going to cook some scallops.
Great.